my gosh, so many cars beating the train! Bill's car is trying to beat the train! There he is, Norfolk Southern 29G. Oh my gosh, what happened to the front? Wow, what is Norfolk Southern 29G doing here this early? Must have run in the afternoons now. Mostly runs like super late at night. Norfolk Southern 29G runs from Marion very late at night. By the way guys, I'm pretty sure I'll look up the Norfolk Southern 29G train destinations on the Norfolk Southern train symbols website, but I believe this is Norfolk Virginia to Detroit Michigan train. Okay, bye, and that's all for now.